tei print media tei social media ni joto kok awainai rok no tini TISF ni bwkhaktwi tini je press conference khaimani wngkha belai khe nangkukmani kaisa important issue abono tui kok sana bagwi chwng ma phailai chini loge TISF ni state coordinator Sajra Deborma tongo tei in-charge tongo TISF ni central in-charge borong nang Pitor Deborma tei angni je David Mura Singh TISF ni in-charge tongo tini ni je press conference ni main kok thai rok wngkha main kok pirjaknai kok awai khaijaknai wngkha phainai 28 tarikho tei phainai 30 tarikho जों kaisa movement kotor khainani thangui tongo TISF ni bwkhaktwi tini ono जों khumulungni IS conference holo chini state ni tei joto college ni chini je convener in charge no tini जों kaisa meeting asukha meeting painai amon siddhant wngkha je 28 tarikho tei 30 tarikho जों deputation khlainai kaisa 28 tarikho hongkha ke পুরা ত্রিপুরা স্টেট নি যত সাব ডিভিশন নো পদের পর সরকারি দপ্তর সাব ডিভিশন কাইসা খাইনাই जों চিনি ডেপুটেশন নাই তৈ 30 তারিখ হংকাকে শিক্ষা ভবন जों কাইসা চিনি ডেপুটেশন তৈ এবাকেবা চিনি কক বলাই याफारमानि চিনি যে প্রোগ্রাম খাইজাকনাই আবংখা kokborok চিনি ত্রিপুরাহানি মেজর borok rok kok sao Tripura hani nini state language bo sikrito manjak phiaba sung nugu kok borok no poder por jaga bo obahela khaijak mani suklukjak mani sesrepjak mani sokomornani chesta khaijak mani jemon airport roko saria khaitoni jak mani nge kok borok no development khainani ke kuno uddog naya na bam na ram tabo bama mologo sung kok borok no movement khaimani porese elective subject hisabe college sungma poro 2012 ni simi nini abo ngyako tabuk phano honors course chalu khaijak yako university ko kokborok phorungjago matro 50 ta seat borong nang Pitor Dayang Deborma tongo bo soh khlainai sung aporno deputation rokha 2000 khub 14 bongna 2014 sung deputation roma porese university ni vice chancellor ni thani roma porese 50 ta ni 150 ta kota khairjago Omai ke poder por jaga no sono dabai jago si kokborok simia joto jagan dabai jago ge tabo ti sanani le koi suklungnani step banks nahar jago tabuk tamongkha kokborok no kuno rokom CBSE board chalu khainani bagui tabuk uddog najak manile ei CBSE board orthat CBSE মানে তো ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম 99.9% ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম ni ছাত্র রকসি kokborok no বাংলা বাই মা সইসিনাই सैनानि नांसिनाय आहाय हिनै राज्य सरकारनि सबका साथ सबका विकास नि ट्राइबल वेलफेयर दप्तर नि सबका साथ सबका विकास खालायनानै थांगै इंग्लिश मीडियम नि छात्र रक kokborok no CBSE board बांग्ला स्क्रिप्ट बाय मा सैनाय हिनै जे फरमाना जारि खाइजाकमानि फरमाना जारि खाइना बाङै जे प्रस्ताव CBSE board हरजाकमानि आबनि तैयै बेलायखे स्टेट नि हास्तेनि लुकुरक गार्जियन रक रोंसोलोंनाय रक छात्र रक बेलायखेनो खाव दुखु नांलायजाक बेलायखेनो वानलायजाक चिनि भबिष्यत तामंनाय हिनै इंटेलेक्चुअल borok rok गोबांमा borok सोनो रिक्वेस्ट खायका TISF rok no गोबांमा borok साहरका चिनि म दायित्व तंगो ओ दायित्व न पालन खायना बागैनो जों এই যে नेकारजनक जे borokनि जे डिसिशन राज्य सरकारनि जे ओ जे अनैतिक जे डिसिशन टिप्रासार न kokborok no suklungnani je decision o decision ni biruddhe जों bwskango 28 tarikho sara rajyo bepino haste gnangui no जों sub division wise जों deputation rona thangui tongo tei 30 tarikho जों शिक्षा bhabono bo जों deputation na thangui tongo tei aboni loge loge जों mass signature campaign o je borokni je prostav ni against mass signature campaign bo जों khlainani thangui tongo o mass signature campaign angkha khlaio 1 lakh ni sei kom signature 5 lakh 1 lakh hai signature chini ungnai tei abono tui जों Guwahati ni regional je CBSE ni je head office regional notice ni je head office aro bo जों daktino andolon khainani je decision naharkha जों tini tei 28 tarik tei 30 tarikho जों deputation na thangui tongo 28 tarikho sara rajyo bepi khlaijaknai hastek nangai tei 30 tarikho shikha bhavano jeng khaijaknai hingka o je chini movement obo TISF ni movement ya omo tiprasarok ni kokborok no rokha khainani tiprasarok ni jati no rokha khainani andolon o andolono somosto অংশনি joto bwkhakni lukurokni chubamung joto bwkhakni student srwngnai tei guardian dongni chubamung tei support जों माननानै नांगौ आं आसा खालायो खा खालायो borok joton खा खामजाक borok support खालायनाय tei o support खालायनाय बदल बदल के o je 28 tarik tei 30 tarik ni chini je o je deputation o borok logerna bagui kobokna bagui tei saklaina bagui awai khaina bagui no जों tini press conference o ma phaimani hingke chini main agenda obono tuino chini ni je press conference tei kwbang kok sanani kwrwi omono chini main issue tini ni je press conference khaimani hingka hingke aboni loge loge tabuk norok kono kisu kok sona tongke swngwi mano tei English by press briefing khainai chini borom gunang Peter de Burma in charge ba higher education doptor tongo a jagaro ko sirnai ba college ni college tongo abo rajya sarkar higher education department under no borni through tui जों higher education department tei CBSE board tei chini shikha doptor no uddesho khlaisi जोंहा deputation runai haisi not in subzonal tani subzonal tam khainai
Our in charge David Mora Singh and state coordinator Sajra Debroma with the TISF going to announce some upcoming deputation programs on the press briefing. So we regard our all entire Tiprasa for the inclusive participation in our deputation program. Our main course of our deputation is firstly, there is the deputations on issue of Kokborok writing in Roman script under in TVSC as well as in CBSE education department. So it is our bad fate that recently the tribal welfare minister Rampodo Zomatia has sent petitions on regards of the Kokborok writings in the Bengali script. This is totally a fatal and it is a deprivations toward the Tiprasa people because it was seen that various times the commission was set up in the Tripura concerning about the Kokborok language. Many Basa commission have set up and they have already have surveyed that all entire Tiprasa earnestly wants to write the Kokborok in the Roman script. More than 99.9% now in present in a modern era, now people are preferring to write in Roman script. So it is a bad fate for our tribal welfare minister Rampodo Zomatia have mentioned without any knowingly or unknowingly that he is doing all these things. It is a deprivation toward the Tiprasa. So on course of this context, so we are going to organize a big deputation program on forthcoming 28 November 2002 by the TISF subdivision level, and on 38 November 2002 we TISF some inclusively some of the leaders will go in the higher education departments to give the deputation. Thereafter we have another event, that is the deputations on the Guwahati in Guwahati CBSE regional branch that will be finalized after the meeting. So here we also earnestly seek for our participation toward all the Tiprasa people, those who are learning toward our Tiprasa Kokborok languages in department. Many words are there. So I highly socially and entirely welcomes to participate in our movement. So there is nothing else, because we have already come across and we have known, and many decades we have passed by, because see whatever we are going to do, something else, what we are going to do, Tiprasa going to achieve something. Without any movement, we are not hand over feasibly. So Tiprasa is always deprived in every sector, in development sector, in educationally, socially, politically, in every way. So I highly want to warn our authority or the government why the government does not take any initiative toward the development of the ST or the Tiprasa people. That is a bad fate for us. So we choose the next government should be another changes, should be so to look the favor for the Tiprasa people. So thank you so much. Here only this much is our briefing.